Di hadapan para perwakilan dunia dalam konferensi tingkat tinggi KTT di Yordania, Menteri Pertahanan Prabowo Subianto menegaskan akan menyelamatkan 1.000 warga Gaza untuk dibawa ke Indonesia. Presiden Indonesia terpilih itu juga bahkan dengan berani menyindir negara-negara modern dan beradab namun mata terbuka melanggar hukum internasional dengan membiarkan kekerasan terjadi pada warga sipil Palestina. Mewakili Indonesia, ia pun menyerukan kepada sejumlah negara yang memiliki pengaruh besar untuk menegakkan konvensi hukum internasional. Prabowo juga mengatakan jika Indonesia saat ini siap mengirimkan bantuan tim medis dan rumah sakit di Gaza demi tercapainya gencatan senjata antara Palestina dan Israel.
Indonesia is ready to contribute to all efforts that can lead to this ceasefire, this immediate ceasefire, and to take part in all the phases following such an immediate ceasefire. We will significantly increase our contributions to UNRWA and other immediate humanitarian assistance. We are ready to deploy more medical teams and a field hospital to operate in Gaza. We are also ready to once again deploy a hospital ship and also to deploy air assets to take part in airdrops when necessary. We are also willing to evacuate 1,000 patients to be treated in Indonesian hospitals and to be returned to Gaza once they recover and the situation in Gaza becomes normal. We are also willing to evacuate children and orphans to be given post-trauma treatment and schooling and to be returned back to Gaza when the situation becomes normal. Ladies and gentlemen, although we are willing to support and contribute to all these efforts, the final solution to this problem is a two-state solution. Only with a two-state solution, with Palestine and Israel living side by side in security and safety, can we resolve this problem. Thank you very much.
Itulah tadi berita Hot News kita pada hari ini. Saksikan berita Hot News lainnya hanya di kanal YouTube dan Facebook Tribun Timur.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.